Making soundbars work. No HDMI ARC? No problem.
Hello there, sound enthusiasts. We've all had that moment where we wanted to upgrade our TV sound, considered a soundbar, but then wondered, what if my TV doesn't have an HDMI ARC port? Don't fret. Today, we're diving into the world of soundbars and exploring how you can connect a soundbar to a TV even without an HDMI ARC port.
What is HDMI ARC?
HDMI ARC stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface Audio Return Channel. It is a protocol that enables a two-way flow of audio data. It simplifies the process of connecting audio devices like soundbars and home theater systems to your TV. The magic of HDMI ARC is that it can send audio to the soundbar and receive audio from the soundbar using just one cable.
Can you connect a soundbar without HDMI ARC?
The short answer is, yes, you absolutely can. There are several alternative connectivity options to consider if your TV doesn't have an HDMI ARC port.
Alternative connection methods.
1. Standard HDMI. If your TV and soundbar both have standard HDMI ports, you can still use them for connection. However, you may need a separate audio cable to send the sound to the soundbar, which can make the setup a bit more complex. 2. Optical cable. This is a commonly available option. An optical cable, also known as a TOSLINK, transmits digital audio signals from your TV to the soundbar. While it doesn't support the latest audio formats like HDMI ARC does, it's perfect for most TV shows, movies, and games. 3. 3.5mm aux, RCA, or coaxial. If your TV is a bit older, it might not have HDMI or optical out. In this case, you can use a 3.5mm aux, RCA, or coaxial cables. 4. Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Many modern soundbars come with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi built in. This allows a wireless connection to your TV, provided your TV also supports this feature. Note, however, that the audio quality might not be as high as when using a wired connection due to compression. So, there you have it. A lack of HDMI ARC is not a barrier to connecting your soundbar to your TV. With a range of options including standard HDMI, optical cable, aux, RCA, coaxial cables, and even wireless methods like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can still get that cinematic audio experience right in your living room. We hope this video has been helpful. Happy listening!